Welcome to Glimpse Pro. Today we're exploring an AI image model with a funny name, but powerful features, Nana Banana. At first glance, the name might sound playful, but in reality, Nana Banana is a serious tool for generating and editing images using nothing but text commands. So what can it actually do? With just a prompt, you can change backgrounds, add objects, or even create a completely new scene from scratch. One of its most impressive abilities is keeping characters consistent across multiple images. That means if you design a person in one picture, you can reuse the same style and identity in others. Perfect for creators who want harmony in their projects. How do you use it? The process is simple. First, log into the platform that supports Nana Banana. Second, upload an image or start fresh with a blank canvas. Then, write a clear description of what you want, like turn this photo into a cinematic style with darker tones, or place the character in front of a futuristic city skyline. In just a few seconds, the AI transforms your words into visuals. For example, you could ask it to change the background to a sunset beach, or add a vintage hat while keeping the same face. The clearer your instructions, the better your results. Of course, like all AI tools, it comes with responsibilities. Always respect privacy and copyrights. Don't upload images of people without their consent, and don't use content you don't own. AI is powerful, but it should be used ethically. In short, Nana Banana makes image generation and editing faster, easier, and much more creative. It saves time, delivers high-quality results, and opens endless possibilities for designers, marketers, and content creators. So, what would you create first with Nana Banana? Share your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to support us with a like and a subscribe to Glimpse Pro for more insights into the world of AI.